Hello and welcome to this video on how to easily convert an SPSS data file into an Excel spreadsheet. My name is Geiser. I'm an instructor and statistical consultant with QuantFish. In this video, I want to show you a free website that I recently discovered that makes it extremely easy to transform an SPSS data file into an Excel spreadsheet. And so when might you be interested in doing that? Let's say maybe you ran out of your SPSS license on your computer. SPSS is expensive. You maybe don't want to renew your license, but you still have a bunch of SPSS data files that now you can no longer access because your SPSS is no longer active, or you don't have SPSS at all. So then, if you want to view and analyze your data sets, you could just simply transform them to an Excel spreadsheet, and then you can run some analyses in Excel, or you can transform the data into other formats such as text files that then other statistics programs can read. And so therefore it might be a useful option to be able to turn your old SPSS data files into a new Excel spreadsheet that you can open on any computer that has Microsoft Excel, or even Google Sheets can then be used to open that Excel spreadsheet. So let's take a look at how this works. So here's this website, numico.com/SPSS to Excel, and you can simply drag and drop your SPSS data file here in the middle, and then it will automatically turn this into an Excel spreadsheet. Or you can click on this button, choose SAV file, which I'm going to do here. And then I'm going to go to my Documents folder where I have an SPSS file. You can see here that it doesn't show this SPSS file right now, and perhaps this is because here this says **.sav, so I don't have a file that looks like this. But when you go to all files with a single dot, I have some SAV files here, so just choosing the all files option, or you can drag and drop directly. And so here I have, for example, an SAV file. So that's an SPSS data file that actually I have not used in SPSS because I don't want to pay for SPSS. So I've used this in Jamovi. That's why it has this J symbol here, but it's really an SPSS data file. And so I'm going to choose this, and then we can open it, and then it will automatically be converted once you click on the Convert SAV to Excel button. So then you can see, okay, something ended up in my downloads folder, and here you can see math.xlsx is now in my download folder, and this is an Excel spreadsheet. Your old SPSS data file will not be changed. That's also great. So nothing is going to happen to this old file. You just simply get an additional file in your download folder that has the same name, but the file extension XLSX, and you can then open that file in Excel. I hope you found this useful. My name is Geiser, and I'll see you in the next video.